Ndị Igbo be anyị, nke a wụ nke anyị, nke a wụ nke anyị, nke a wụ nke anyị. Chanel a wụ Biafra Breaking News Watch. So ọ ya amasị m na ọwụ na ịsọpọtụ ya by subscribing to it, because what we are going to be doing here is strategic analysis of what is to come and what we have in place. Maka na history wo iche maka ebe gafegoro, iche maka ọnọdụ ịnọ na ya, then ichete nke ka ya eme n'iru. So ihe onyonyo anụ anyị na-ekiri ugbu a all elite commando unit Abia State branch. O setigo, the matter done read, it done read. The time for killings of Biafrans is over. The time for unnecessary harassment of innocent citizens of Biafran origin is over. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Onye ndu nke izizi, the only existing Igbo man, the most powerful existing Igbo man, contemporary, in as much as the concerns of Igbo people, we the Igbo people, matters a lot. Nnamdi Kanu is the only voice that heals the wounds, the pains, the agony meted against us, the Igbo people, which they are still infiltrating on our people through the Boko Haram, the Fulani herdsmen, Mayetiala, ISWAP, and all that. But you don't read. May God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May God bless Onyendu for all his good works. It will not be easy. Every Biafran needs to appreciate him and support this Eastern Security Network, because that is the only breathing space. The fresh air we are about to breathe is Eastern Security Network. Nobody should, for any reason, add any more salt to Biafra injuries, because we've come to stay. ESN have come to stay. We the Biafrans, our history is they cannot rewrite it for us. We owe the right to rewrite our history, in as much as that construction called Nigeria is concerned. So my advice, my people, is that currently why the Eastern governors are keeping quiet is because they are yet to determine the capacity of the ESN as unveiled by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So why all these Eastern politicians are keeping quiet is because they don't know the size and the tendencies, whether it is just, I'm talking about the tendencies of the ESN, whether it's just it's just after the, what's it called, Maitiala, Fulani herdsmen and other traitors in Igbo land, or whether it is, an undeclared war that was diplomatically declared or kick-started by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So what they are pressing, the buttons they are pressing now is to find out what exactly is the brain behind unveiling of ESN. But as his case may be, I trust Mazinda and the DOS of I'm talking about the Directorate of State of Biafra, for their resolution over this unveiling this ESN. And I trust our strategic approaches, because if it is not the steps that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu ezigbo onye ndu obi n'anya used to take ahead and ahead. I'm talking about ahead and ahead of the zoo. It would have been funny. But to God be the glory that is wiser. Whichever part of the wisdom that God gave to him should be sustained by the grace of God, because he is the leader we trust. Watch this very video and see the capacity, how capable, how the readiness of Abia State Elite Command of the ESN, so that you know that we Biafrans are not joking. Make this message, share this video, because the world needs to see that we are actually ready for our freedom, either by root or cranny. However, we are not going to give up. Once they see these videos this way, it is not just our cries any longer that we ask them to do the right thing. The actions through the unveiling of this ESN is already speaking volume in the international community. And the notice we pass to them has been taken. And trust me, a lot are already going on within the powers that be over the affairs of Biafra. Share this video, my good people, and take a look at what exactly is happening. If you are watching it yourself.
This is under Abia Command. This is an Eastern Security Network. Yes, the men are ready. They are ready. They are good to go. These are the Eastern Security Network. The men are ready. They are ready. They are ready. Yes, the land is secured. Our forest.
Eastern Security Network, Abia Command, getting ready, preparation to march around the forest in search of the Janjaweed, to make sure that our mothers go back to farm without harassment. They go about their business. Those farmers that have retreated from farming, we have come to make sure that they go back into farming